Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. Today, the first thing we're going to do is review what we did last time. So, last time we reviewed what is tags, what is the basics of HTML. We discussed the very introduction of HTML. Now, today we're going to go deeper. We're going to go into HTML, but we're going to learn how to connect pages. So basically, first off, we need to make another image. Okay. So, sorry, not another image, another page. So, I just copied all of this and then put it into one page and called it a different name. So let's put this together. Let's put this image into a link right here. Okay. So, our way of doing links, we do it in an A link. A link supports the link tag. So we do href for the link, and we state what link it is. So this link is a web page we made ourselves. Okay. So this web page that we made right now by ourselves is called second.html. So let's see if it works. This link. Control save, and then we run it. Oh no, where did it go? I wonder. Guys, we forgot to close the tag. I feel so dumb. But it's not just that. Why isn't it showing? Well, also, whenever you want a link to show, you need a placeholder. What are placeholders? Okay, so whenever you have a link, a placeholder is what the link will show. So, for instance, let's go to our famous Starbucks.com. Starbucks.com. Okay, so all of these are called links, okay? So this is one link talking about one type of coffee, I think. Yeah. So basically that link takes it to another page. Now, the placeholder in this link is coffee. It's not showing the link. It's not showing coffee.com. It's just showing coffee. So that's what we call the placeholder. So let's make a placeholder. What do we want to call it? Let's call it About Me. Now let's run it. See, it's showing right at the bottom, right here. So when I go here, it shows the About Me page without it going to, since there wasn't a link there, it's just showing the page it is without the link. So, but I mean, how do you do these image links? Like YouTube.com. Like whenever you click the logo over here, so let's say we search up HTML. We go ahead and click this, but then we go to YouTube. We click this YouTube, and it goes back to the home page. How? That is what we call an image link. So this is basically the YouTube logo. So see. So how do we put that image link? So the image is actually the placeholder. It's what's being shown. See, the YouTube logo is the placeholder. That's what's being shown. So basically, we just have to enter an image into the placeholder. So let's put in an image that we put, saved. I saved B12. Surprise. I will surprise you. Now, why isn't it showing? Well, that's because it's in a folder. And whenever you put your images in one folder, you always have to name that folder. Unless it's in the folder with you. See, now it's showing its dolphins. Yay! Let's click it. Now it's going to the page without that link we added. So now I can do Control D, Control X, then add it over here. Now let's save it. So now if I click this, it shows the same thing. It just looks like we're going to the same page, but we're really not. Cool, right? Let's see if we're going to the same pages. It says second HTML and then first HTML. So it's really cool, guys, right? So I love this, how it is, and I love links because later you can go in depth. You can add banners and footers. So your next homework is to be prepared for the next class. And that homework is to make your own web pages. Basically, you just make a bunch of these, but different. Different pictures, different info. You can make it the same title for the same tab. But you can make different each ones. I want you to be creative. Okay, and if you need any help, make sure you ask for help. Drop down in the comments or just ask for help in the email. Remember, it's websitesU4@gmail.com. I hope I've helped you a lot, and if I haven't, sorry. If you need help, just make sure you comment below. If that still does not help, then I will try my best to help you even more. Thank you, and I hope you are tuned in for more learning.